Fortis Hospitals Bengaluru launches Preventive Genomics Clinic, ushering a new era in precision medicine. Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan Prof. Padmanabhan Balaram, former director of IISc, Bengaluru, inaugurated the clinic on the occasion of World DNA Day. Bengaluru, the 23rd of April 2026. Fortis Hospitals, Bengaluru today announced the launch of its Preventive Genomics Clinic across its Bengaluru network, thus reinforcing its commitment to delivering patient-centric, preventive and precision-led care. The clinic was inaugurated by Professor Padmanabhan Balaram, Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan, former director of IISc, Bengaluru, in the presence of senior clinicians, hospital leadership and distinguished guests. This preventive genomics clinic aims to offer advanced genetic testing, expert counseling and personalized treatment plans, enabling individuals to make informed healthcare decisions based on their genetic profile. By leveraging genomics, Fortis clinicians seek to enable early detection of inherited conditions, accurate diagnosis of complex diseases, and more targeted, effective treatment strategies. The clinic will offer a wide range of services, including whole genome and exome sequencing, in-depth analysis for diagnosing rare and undiagnosed conditions, hereditary cancer screening, assessing inherited risk for breast, ovarian, colorectal, and other cancers, pharmacogenomics, personalized drug response testing to optimize treatment efficacy, prenatal and newborn screening, early detection of genetic disorders in infants and during pregnancy, cardiogenomics, specialized genetic testing for cardiovascular conditions crucial for families with a history of sudden cardiac arrest, unexplained heart failure, or congenital heart disease. Neurogenomics, specialized genetic testing for patients with complex neurological disorders, using gene-based insights to improve diagnosis and personalize interventions for conditions like epilepsy, Parkinson's and rare neurodevelopmental syndromes. Orthogenomics, personalized diagnostics, risk assessment, and targeted therapies for conditions like osteoarthritis, osteoporosis, and sarcoma. Genetic counseling, expert guidance to help patients and families understand test results and take informed decisions. Cancer-directed genomic testing, advanced diagnostics for hematology and oncology cases. Speaking at the launch, Prof. Padmanabhan Balaram, Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan, former director of IISc, Bengaluru, said, "I congratulate Fortis Hospitals on this important initiative. Genomics is playing an increasingly important role in shaping the future of healthcare by enabling deeper insights into disease mechanisms and individual risk profiles. Initiatives like this are critical in bridging advanced science with clinical practice, helping move healthcare towards a more preventive and personalized approach." Dr. Naiti Krishna Raizada, Principal Director, Medical Oncology and Hemato-Oncology, Fortis Hospitals, Bengaluru said, "Many serious conditions, especially cancers, have a genetic link that can be identified early to avert the disease and mortality risk. Through Preventive Genomics Clinic, we aim to empower patients with knowledge of their risks and enable early timely intervention, improving outcomes and supporting preventive care." Dr. Vivek Javali, Chairman, Cardiac Sciences, Fortis Hospitals, Bengaluru said, "Genomics is transforming how we approach disease management, shifting from a one-size-fits-all approach to a personalized and precise care. This clinic brings together multiple specialties to leverage genetic insights for better diagnosis and treatment outcomes." Dr. Anant Rao, VP and Business Head, Fortis Hospitals, Bengaluru said, "With growing awareness around preventive healthcare, there is an increasing need for advanced diagnostics that help individuals understand their health risks early. This initiative strengthens our commitment to delivering accessible, patient-centric, and future-ready healthcare."
So we want to do this for a couple of reasons. Apart from just
So actually 25th of April is World DNA Day. And I am an oncologist and a hematologist. As a profession, we deal with a lot of genomics. Genomics means analyzing mutation alterations in the DNA, in the RNA, and of course there are certain things known as proteomics, metabolomics, transcriptomics, which we do routinely. The whole purpose of doing this clinic was preventive genomics, means can we predict genomically whether you have a chance of getting a certain type of disorder. And preventive genomics is the larger landscape which we talk about when we are dealing with predicting cardiac problem, predicting drug response to a person, whether they will respond in the same way in the same dose, or they need a higher dose or a lesser dose. When they are already taking multiple drugs, how will it interact? Some will have more side effects, some will have less side effect. If you already have a liver condition, let's say hepatic fibrosis, will it turn into something really irreversible or not? So it's known as preventive gastro, in which you can do genomic predicting for gastroenterological disorder. For hematology, there are certain things in which we can find out whether there are certain hematology. It is also used for diagnosis. So all type of leukemias require genomic testing. But can we even predict in our first degree relatives whether they will have cancer? So this is known as cancer predictive genomics. Then again, can we talk about certain conditions like type 2 diabetes or Alzheimer's disease? So that's known as polygenomic scoring. Can we predict a person who will have it and therefore offer lifestyle changes? So basically why we are doing this is to find out either are there any solutions which can be predicted that you should do these from early on. For obesity, whether obesity drugs will work or not. Do you have anything in nutrition that needs to be changed? That is known as nutrigenomics. So finding out solutions by predicting a problem early. If you have a very high risk of a cardiac problem, let's say you may have an early onset cardiac problem,